Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your cache on the Telegram application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram app on your device. And if you're already logged in, then you can directly start clearing your cache from the settings. Otherwise, use your phone number and login code. And once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. You will then be taken into your settings page, from which scroll down and tap on Data and Storage. This will now open up the Data and Storage page. Tap on the Storage Usage option, and now you will find the option to clear your cache. Go ahead and tap on Clear Cache, and now this will ask you whether you are sure that you want to clear it. Go ahead and tap on Clear Cache once again, and this will clear all of your cache within the Telegram app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your cache on the Telegram app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.